Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the mouse pointer in your Fire TV or Fire Stick. First thing you have to do is you go to settings, go to My Fire TV, go to developer options and enable these two options that you see there. You could then go home, go to search and search for the app called Downloader. Once you install Downloader, go ahead and open Downloader. If you are in that section, you can press the select button and type your link, and the link is joypoint.com/mouse, and click go. Go ahead and install the APK and delete the APK if you want to. Once you install the app, go ahead and go back home and look for the application that looks like that one there. Alright, when you first start the app, it may have the service turned off, so you want to go ahead and select the service option and make sure that you turn it back on. You want to make sure that you auto start the service when your Fire Stick Fire TV starts. And we already enabled ADB settings, so we don't have to worry about that. You could test if it's working if you press real quick the play pause button twice, and you're gonna see the mouse indicator there. That confirms that it's working and ready to go. If you by any chance press the play button twice and it doesn't work, that means that you need to go back to my description and download the second version, which is 1.11. It depends on what Fire TV and Fire Stick generation you have. It's the one that you'll need. So just read the description and you find out which one is which. So now that we confirmed that it's working, you go back home. And just remember, the mouse doesn't work when you are outside the app. It works when you're inside any app. So I'm going to open this app here, for example, and press play twice. I know this app works without the toggle, but there's some APK applications that you need this to be able to press around the menus. If you press and hold the OK button, get out of here real quick. If you press it again, you hold the OK select button and then press up and down, you'll be able to scroll up and down in any app that you have. So that's basically how it works. And if you have any questions, any comments, leave them below, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.